So updates coming in, but the Union Common Minister Piyush Goyal, who has now hailed a reset in India-Canada relations, calling Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney's visit to be a major step towards rebuilding bilateral ties, as he said that this visit marks a thaw in relations and signals that India-Canada ties are back on track after prolonged diplomatic, stalemate. And the trade discussions that have now regained momentum, both sides pushing forward on negotiations for a possible free trade agreement. And Mark Carney, who has now described the proposed India deal to be a potential game changer for the Canadian economy. Let's take a look as far as the biggest delegation, the business delegation that Piyush Goyal is now heading, saying that called on Prime Minister of Canada, Mr. Mark Carney, and has conveyed warm greetings from Prime Minister Modi, fondly recalled his recent visit to India, which has imparted fresh momentum and has renewed confidence to the India-Canada partnership. We had forward-looking discussions on further deepening bilateral cooperation and expressed optimism towards the early conclusion of the India-Canada Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, which would unlock avenues of growth, prosperity for both of the nations. So that is now coming in from the minister himself. And of course, when it comes to the Canadian economy, the kind of boost that we are now looking at, saying that it would create jobs and it would unlock access to India's massive market. Let's connect with Sumita on this. Sumita, good morning. Now, what are we now looking at? Both of the countries reviewing progress on trade negotiations, with focus areas also being energy, technology, agri-food and education sectors.
Absolutely. This visit of Minister Piyush Goyal is critical, and in fact we were given to understand that he's going to be holding meetings with key government leaders, and of course you were talking about that. Maninder Sidhu, the Trade Minister of Canada, he's had conversations with, he just met with Mark Carney, the Canadian Prime Minister, along with Anita Anand, who is the Foreign Minister of Canada, along with that the Canadian Minister of Agriculture and Agri-Food he's had a meeting with him as well. Now, let's understand why these conversations are critical, because remember, Canada has been very interested. India, of course, has been interested in stitching up various pacts as far as trade is concerned. But Canada, particularly, given the kind of momentum that we've seen in ties ever since Mark Carney became the Prime Minister once again, we did see the visit of Maninder Singh Sidhu, Anita Anand, before the visit of Mark Carney himself earlier this year. So Piyush Goyal is not just traveling alone. He's traveling with representatives from over 100 businesses, Indian businesses from different sectors, including metals, minerals, energy, automotives, leather, textiles, agri, pharma, etc. All of these are India's strengths. And India, once again, is looking at complementarities as far as trade with Canada is concerned. Both the sides are looking at sealing this trade agreement this year itself. Yes. And of course, these negotiations started after Prime Minister Mark Carney visited India in March.
All right. Sumita, thank you very much for that update. So more than 100 senior business representatives from India's mining, energy, automotive and aerospace sectors are accompanying the Union Minister Piyush Goyal, and also saying that this is the largest ever business delegation to have visited Ottawa in Canada. And the Prime Minister there saying that we are negotiating a free trade agreement with India, and this will be a game changer for Canadian workers and businesses, unlocking a massive new market. And we are working fast, and he met Piyush Goyal to review our progress so far and explore the opportunities ahead of both of our countries in energy, agri-food, technology and also education. So forward-looking as far as when it comes to strengthening of ties between India and Canada is concerned, we're looking at a free trade agreement that is now being talked about between the two world leaders as far as from India and Canada. In the meantime, let's head into a very short break. We'll be back with more.